All right, so this is a 2017 Chevy Malibu, and my driver's seat is stuck back like that. You know, it's stuck back and the button is tripping. So I went ahead and popped the button off. That didn't do anything. So what you need to do is go ahead and find the screw, take this panel off. Gonna find this screw. It's gonna be right on the front end of here. You see it? That's your screw right there. Come to the back. There will be one screw back here. Go ahead and unscrew those two. Then back to the front. This here, you're gonna come in here with a flathead screwdriver and split these apart until you have this thing all the way separated. And also here, this bar, it's gonna be clips on this bar. Try to pop it up without breaking them like I did. I broke them for sure. Okay? So now that you have this exposed, this is our issue here. Our buttons are behind here. So what you want to do is take your flathead screwdriver and pop this little box up like so, right? After you have the box out, this right here is the issue. All right, this is our up and down. This is our front to back. This is our up and down again. And this is our back to front part that's stuck. Okay, the one far at the end, this is stuck. And it's stuck because maybe these teeth have been grinded all the way down. So what you're gonna have to do is try to find a replacement part for the buttons or replacement mechanism here, because these teeth are not catching onto that button. Now, if you want to do a temporary fix, go ahead and just adjust your seat right now. Adjust your seat. If you don't have the money to pay for a new one, go ahead and pick it all the way up. And that's your problem. Now, if you want to order a new one of these parts, go ahead and look at the part number at the top up here. I cannot see it, but you can see it here. It'll be 6304-0014. You can find them on eBay or OfferUp. Go order another one of these. Or you have to order another one of these bad boys, these buttons. You know, whoops. So yeah, and this just snaps back into place. Now, if it's not this, you will have to go ahead and unplug this and test each and every wire manually to see where the power is coming from. And with that, you may need a test probe to see if there's actually power going to that button. But you may not need to get that far if it's only the teeth of this button is stripped up against those teeth down there. I don't know if you can see it. Oh shit, yep. These teeth here. Check it out. Oh, god damn it. Check it out. See what I mean? These teeth interlock. Push it back and forth like so. And if they don't catch, the seat won't move and they'll be stuck in that position. Now we got our seat back up, right up, so my neck stops hurting and my nerves stop tripping. And you know, all these other problems my back has been giving me because I'm driving lean back like a gangster. Okay, put this part back just how you got it. Go ahead and put it back into place. Snap those in. We didn't blew the clips for this, so it's going to be a little loose, but snap those back in if you have them, and then put those screws back in to their designated holes, and they'll line up perfectly as soon as you snap these back into place. Okay, all right, have a good day.